Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? Welcome back to a new track, another day, another track. Let's play. We've got the police car back on the track. It's a McLaren 720. Here we go, ready to drive. You might have seen from the match preview, the track preview, the police car isn't driving that fast. Let's cruise. The police car does not need to drive that fast because he's the police. Exactly. They've got to set an example. Even on the racetrack, they have to drive nice and slow and keep the law and order. We can't have, kick out by the police car. I think he's getting to enjoy it. Oh, hang on. The police car starting to get the feel for the track. Oh, he likes it. He might be speeding up here, Albert. Hang on a second. Oh, hang on. We've got ourselves a race here. The police car is having a race. He stepped it up. The sirens are on. He can smell a bit of criminality in the air. He's going after them. Let's hope he catches them. Don't want crime. Crime's bad. Oh, derails. We've got a cop down. We've got a cop down. It's back on the track. Okay, let's have a look at this track now. We've got Chicago, wide R2 there into a tighter R2. Nice, up and over the long bridge, round down through Hammerhead and into the double crossovers of Bacharach. Kicks it out before he gets the Gambon where he derailed a minute ago. Come on, let's go. Should we make this our last lap? I think so, track fans. And the police car is back to cruising. I think one of his colleagues has got the criminal now, so he's back to cruising. No hurry for the police car. We have to get a sports car, rally car next time. See what we can do. See you later, track fans. Bye, Albert.